As summer starts to wind down, you're probably getting ready to send your kids back to school. Virginia is hosting the sales tax holiday weekend, the first full weekend of August. Supplies from pencils and binders to shoes, clothes, and backpacks are all tax-free. But did you know emergency preparedness supplies are also included in the sales tax holiday? Don't forget to stock up on important emergency supplies like flashlights, batteries, weather radios, smoke alarms, fire extinguishers, and even first aid kits. All these items up to $60 are tax-free. Even portable generators up to $1,000 and gas-powered chainsaws up to $350 are all tax-free during the first full weekend of August. For more information, look up Sales Tax Holiday at www.tax.virginia.gov. Now is a good time to review family safety information with your kids. Information like how and when to call 911 and where to meet during an emergency. It's also a good time to sit down and review your family's emergency plan and build an emergency kit. As a parent, you want to make sure your kids are as prepared as possible to head back to school. So make sure to stock up on emergency essentials so the whole family can be ready at school, at home, and on the go.